using EZ Streets in the 4 years, we have yet to lose a single patch. I didn't believe it at first, to be honest, until we tried it.
Yeah, EZ Streets has always been a reliable product since me and Tom started about 5 years ago.
It just does so many things and lasts so long that it's just so hard not to want to work with it all the time.
Got the job done, and it's always been there for us.
It's easy to use, you spread it around, it's forgiving.
We noticed that EZ Street doesn't dry out like hot mix. Everybody was skeptical until they've actually seen the outcome, and they absolutely love it.
Rain doesn't stop you from working.
We've learned it'll stay in any condition.
In water, it's awesome. Yeah, see a puddle, you throw the EZ Streets in it, tamp it down, and it holds fine. Go right to work.
It's really made a believer out of all of us. In this particular area, using hot mix, which we have, and having recyclers, we find that the patches have cracked over a year or two. We don't experience any of that using the EZ Street. Be a good test out here today. It's a beautiful rainy day. I'm gonna saw cut me a hole. These guys take a lot of pride in what we do, and I think it reflects in our patching. Try to get them as clean as possible. You know, ideally, we like to saw cut to get an edge to help keep material in, but this material will adhere just about any condition. With hot mix, even with the patching, we have to utilize tack. With the EZ Streets, we already have the tack kind of already in the mix, so it saves another step that we don't have to do. It gives us the ability really to work all year round when others can't.
I love EZ Street.